I'm Mark Jumbaldo from Solid Investment Realty, and I'm the top sales agent for Urban Deca Homes Ortigas project for year 2023. So I'm here guys to answer your Urban Deca Homes question. So itong question na to, nakita ko na to matagal na. So sabi niya, totoo daw ba na 10K lang to move in at no hidden charges? So sasagutin natin yan guys. And yes, 10,000 lang talaga yung inyong magiging initial cash out to move in. Actually, sobrang dami na nakalipat with just 10,000 pesos. That's through Pag-ibig financing na promo. And for hidden charges, yes, no hidden charges tayo dito. Kasi for the transfer of title, processing fees and miscellaneous fees, all of those are included na sa kanilang TCP. Meron lang tayo mga other charges like normal charges naman siya like acquiring ng isang property. Pero kung hindi siya na-explain sa inyo mabuti ng inyong agent, makukonsider nyo talaga siya as hidden charges. So ano-ano nga ba yung mga yon? So first guys is yung insurance. Once na kasi naka-loan tayo, i-required tayo ni Pag-ibig na kumuha ng insurance, which are the fire insurance, which yun nga, magagamit natin siya pag nasunog yung unit natin, sa mga bayaran tayo. And second insurance is yung mortgage redemption insurance, which is ito naman is pag unfortunately o wag naman sana may nangyaring masama sa buyer at biglang namatay, automatic mapupully paid yung ating property na kinuha at mabibigay sa ating mga beneficiaries. Okay? Second guys na other charges dito is yung move-in fee. Other terms natin for move-in fee is the installation fee. So don't worry kasi very affordable lang naman dito, which is only 11,000 pesos and one time payment lang yan. Upon move-in pa nila babayaran after approval na. So para saan yan? That's for the installation ng electricity, water, membership fee nyo dito sa community at kasama na din po yung dalawang key card na magagamit natin sa mga elevators. Then lastly guys is the condo dues o yung association dues. At again, very affordable lang din dito sa Urban Deca Homes Ortigas at 55 pesos per square meter lang. So kung ang unit nyo is 30.60, nasa 1.6 lang yan per month. At yun naman is ginagamit natin for the project maintenance. We have 24/7 security at we have free use ng clubhouse and amenities. Just to make sure na ang ating property is well maintained at tuloy-tuloy din ang pagtaas ng kanyang value in the future. So yun guys, hopefully nasagot ko yung question na yon. And again, if you are interested here at Urban Deca Homes Ortigas, I can assist them. So kita-kits po tayo guys dito. Message nyo lang po ako. Bye bye. Yes sir.